Yo guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video we're going to be showing you guys how to pretty much add a resource to your FiveM server such as a vehicle or a map. My name is Jack and we're just going to get straight in to the video today. So first of all, if you guys are looking to get a FiveM server, you go to cqservers.com, FiveM, and purchase one of our plans here. You can compare the plans below and pick the one that you'd like. Now we're just going to jump over to our already set up FiveM server that's been initialized by our panel. And our panel is we're going to make sure our server's been started. Now I know this server's already been started and the files have been created, so I don't really need to worry. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to File Manager, our Resources folder. I'm now going to create a new directory and we're going to call it Vehicles. Make sure you put these on the end. I'm going to press Create Directory. We're then going to go into our Vehicles folder. And this is where we're going to be adding our vehicle resources. We're then going to go back, I'm going to create a new directory. I'm going to call it Maps. And this is where we're going to put all our maps, is up here. So we've got vehicles and we've got maps. Now, if you guys have WinSCP installed, the next step is going to be very easy. So I'll leave a link in the description for you to get WinSCP. It's the most kind of comfortable with our panel. It allows you to do things very quickly. We're going to go to Settings. Now all your details are here for FTP. We're going to press Launch SFTP. Type in my password. Now what we're going to do, go to Resources, go to our Vehicles, and this is where we get to the kind of making the files look nice as such. So what we're going to add in is Rednex F250 LEO. Again, the best way to format it is to have a stream folder, a data folder, and a resource folder. Stream containing your F250 YFT, YTD, and high YFT. Your data folder containing car calls, car variations, handling and vehicles. Again, if you take this from a non-FiveM vehicle and turn it FiveM, these will all be within the kind of data folders of that through OpenIV. We're then going to look at a resource file here. So the resource, what we'd like, it must really, if you're using the data file, you'll need to have it look like this. Data file, files, resource manifest version, like so. Again, I'll leave this just for a second, just so in case anyone needs to pause to copy it. Or I might drop in the description as well. We're then just going to drag and drop our file into here. Give it a little second. Now, the next thing we're going to be doing is maps. Now, the way kind of maps work, most of the maps you'll be using for FiveM are already FiveM ready, because it'll be an MLO or a YMap. Now for this one, it's an MLO, so it's, I prefer MLOs. I feel as if they're a little bit more in detail. But for this one, we're going to use it to change the interior of the highway patrol station down in La Mesa. So we'll get that done in a little second. So we've got this vehicle uploaded. We're just going to remember the name of it. Now for our map, we're going to go to Maps, drag in our HP station just to show you how it looks. We'll just get a stream folder with everything in it, and a resource folder. Again, this is a map. Yes, that's all you really need for this. We're then going to drag and drop. Now this will take a little bit to upload because it's quite a big file. So what I'll do, I'll let this upload and then I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, so that's us. We've had our file now uploaded. What we're going to do next is we're going to go back over to our control panel here. We're now going to go to our file manager. Again, this is where I would always recommend, if you're going to be changing files, do it through the panel. If you're going to be deleting files, do it through the panel. However, if you're going to be uploading large amounts of files, I'd use WinSCP or an FTP client. We're going to go to our server.cfg here. All we're going to do, we're going to type ensure F250 LEO, ensure HP station. Again, just the name of the two files we're going to make sure we've ensured. press Save Content. We're then going to go to here, start the game, and as you should see, it should load up pretty quick. There we go, found a resource, and that's us. I'm then just going to go to FiveM and get us going. I'll be back with you in just a sec. Okay guys, so I've literally just logged into the server and we're going to go and take a look at these vehicles. So the vehicle I have done now, I don't actually know the vehicle model name, but I think it might be F250 LEO. Let me just take a little look. That's the one problem, if you do it through WinSCP and you've still got to open it, can sometimes cause problems in the panel. Oh, it's just F250. So we're just going to do our F250, so as you'll see, our F250 is now spawned. We can add any extras and things like that to it. I've not got any lighting packs installed, so I'm not even going to turn on the lights and shame you all to see my horrible lighting. But yeah, as you'll see, the vehicle's in game, fully works. If we wanted to enable the lights, we can do that. 2.6. Again, doesn't look very good because I've not got my lighting enabled, but yeah, this is it. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is just our map has actually been inputted into the game. So I'm just going to leave this here. If I fly through it, it should degen it, but we'll fly over to the map that we've installed. So the map we installed is over here. So this is the police station. As you'll see, it's changed to San Andreas Highway Patrol. Get the SAHP logo up there. If we walk in, the interior is now in the game. So very nice. As you'll see, we've added it all to the game. Everything works absolutely fine, looking beautiful. All the offices, everything like that. We've got our cells down the stairs, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Other than that, thank you very much for watching this video today. Hopefully we've helped. And if there's any questions, just give us a shout through our support panel, through tickets or Discord, or just add me on Discord and shoot me a message. Other than that, guys, thanks very much. Have a wonderful day.